Students, let's start today's class. Today we will discuss about complement of a set. The complement of a set. Let U be the universal set. You know what is universal set? So let U be the universal set and A is a subset of U. A is another set which is a subset of U. If A is a subset of U, that means all the elements of A must be in U. Understood? Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A, and it is denoted as A dash. A dash. Understood? So by the definition we can say that the complement of a set A is the set of all the elements of universal set which is not present in A. Are you getting this? Okay. See, the set builder form of complement of A is A complement is equal to X such that X belongs to a universal set and X does not belongs to A. What is the meaning of this? Complement of a set is a set of all the elements of universal set, but which all the elements of universal set, but they are not the elements of A. Mathematically, we can represent it A complement equal to U minus A. You know very well the difference of sets. The difference of set is also denoted as this. That means A complement is a set of all the elements of universal set which are not present in set A. Let's take one example, then it will be more clear. Let universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This set is considered as universal set. And there is another set A that are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And question is asking ki what is its complement? What is the complement of A? So beta, complement of A is denoted as A dash, and we can find out is by U minus A. So we have to find out the difference of U and A. So what we have to do? We have to write all the elements of U which are not the element of A. Or we can say that we will remove the elements of A from U. We will remove the elements of A from U. So what are the elements of A? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. We will remove these elements from U. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. We will remove them. And whatever are remaining, we will note it here. What is remaining? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This set is known as the complement of A. Understood? Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, let's take one more example. This is clear to everyone now? Let's take one more example. A is a set of all letters of English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Consider an universal set is the set of all letters in English alphabet. This is a universal set. I considered it. And a set A is a set of all vowels in English alphabet. All the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Is it clear? I considered here universal set is a set of all letters of English alphabet and A is the set of all vowels in English alphabet, and we want to find the complement of A. So complement of A will be U minus A. Universal set minus this set. So what we have to do? We have to remove all the elements of A from U. We have to remove all the elements of A from U. So what are the elements of A? A, E, I, O, U. So these elements we will remove from U. So A, E, I, O and U. We will remove these elements. So whatever is remaining, this will be present in complement of A. So what is remaining? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. V, W, X, Y, Z. So this set is known as the complement of A. Clear? So again I am explaining you, the complement set of A is a set of all the elements of universal set which are not present in the set A. Understood? Mathematically, A complement is U minus A. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, let's take one question related to the complement of sets. Okay students, now I am going to explain you one question related to the complement of the sets. Let U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an universal set. And a set is given 2, 3 and another set B is given 3, 4, 5. Question is saying find A complement, B complement and A complement intersection B complement. This is a sign of intersection, you know it. Next, A union B whole complement. First of all, we have to find A union B. After that, we have to find its complement. Then question is saying, hence show that A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Understood? Okay, let's try. Whatever is given, we have to write here. Given universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A set is given, that is 2, 3. B set is given, that is 3, 4, 5. Question is asking about A complement. Now, A complement, you know, U minus A. So what we have to do? For finding A complement, we will subtract all the elements of A from U. Means we will have to remove all the elements of A from U. So what are the elements of A? 2 and 3. So this 2 and this 3 will be removed from universal set. So what is left? 1, 4, 5, 6. We will remove the elements of A from U. So elements of A are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will be removed. So what is left? 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. This is the A complement. Got it? Now question is asking about B complement. So B complement will be U minus B. A complement is U minus A. So B complement is equal to U minus B. Okay, U minus B. So now we have to remove the elements of B from U. Understood? Now we have to remove the elements of B from U. So what are the elements of B? 3, 4 and 5. So we will remove 3, 4 and 5. These three elements we will remove from U. So what is left? 1, 2 and 6. 1, 2 and 6. This is B complement. Understood? Now question is saying find A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. So A complement intersection B complement. For finding the intersection, we have to take the common element of both the sets or not. So in A complement and in B complement, what is common? A complement elements are 1, 4, 5, 6. B complement is 1, 2, 6. So which elements are common in both the sets? 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are common. So A complement intersection B complement will be 1, 6. Got it? Now, question is asking A union B whole complement. So beta, for finding A union B whole complement, A union B whole complement, the formula will be, see, A complement is U minus A, B complement is U minus B. So A union B complement will be U minus A union B. Understood? So see, U is a set, which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will subtract what? A union B. This is the sign of union. For finding the union, we will have to note all the elements of A and B together. You know this? So A set 2, 3 or B set 3, 4, 5. So we will have to write all the elements of A and B together, or whatever is common, it will write on. We will write that element only one time. Understood? We have to write all the elements of A and B, and whatever is common, we will write only one time. So A union B will be 2, 3. So 3 is also here. So 3 we will write only one time. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So the union of A and B is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it? Now see, A union B whole complement is equal to, we have to subtract 2, 3, 4, 5 from universal set. So what we have to do? We have to remove all the elements of this set from universal set. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. We will remove them. So what is left? 1 and 6. So A union B whole complement is 1, 6. Got it? Now question is saying, hence show that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So see, A union B whole complement, this is equal to 1, 6, or A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement is, again we will get 1, 6. So these both sets are equal or not? Hence we can write, hence A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Got it? Hope it is clear to everyone. And yes students, now we will discuss some properties of complement of sets. Understood? So these properties you have to keep in your mind. So please note it somewhere. The very first property is known as complement laws. Very first property is complement laws. What are the complement laws? There are two complement laws. What is A union A complement? If we want to find the union of a set and its complement, then we will get a universal set. Understood? If we want to find the union of a set and its complement, A union A complement, then we will get universal set. Got it? The second complement law is, if we want to find intersection of a set with its complement, A intersection A complement, then we will get phi. And you know what is phi? Phi is a empty set or null set. So the union of a set and its complement set is always the universal set, and the intersection of a set with its complement, then we will get phi. The second law, second property is De Morgan's law. What is the second property? De Morgan's law. Again there are two laws which is known as De Morgan's law. First law is A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. This law we have already proved in the previous question. Have you remembered? A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is the very first De Morgan law. And the second law, in place of this union there is intersection, or in place of this intersection there is union. So De Morgan law is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And the second law is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So these two laws are known as De Morgan's law. Clear? Third is law of double complementation. Law of double complementation. If we want to find double complement of any set, double complement means if we want to find the complement of A dash dash. Are you getting this? If we want to find the double complement of any set, then we will get the set itself. Means A complement gives you A only. Got it? Next is laws of empty set and universal set. The law of empty set is the complement of empty set gives you universal set. Complement of empty set. Complement of empty set. Empty set is 5. So its complement is denoted as 5 dash. So complement of empty set gives you universal set. And the complement of universal set, yani U complement, that gives you 5. Understood? So the very first property, complement laws, two laws are there. A union A complement is universal, or A intersection A complement is 5. Second is De Morgan's law. First is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second is A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. Third is law of double complementation. Means if we want to find double complement of any set, then we will get the same set. Next, laws of empty set. Law of empty set means complement of empty set gives you universal set. Or law of universal set means complement of universal set gives you a empty set or null set. Understood? Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. So students, now I am going to wind up this video. After this video, I will provide you one worksheet based on the complement of a set and its properties. So you will solve that assignment. The remaining topic we will discuss in the next video. Till that time, stay at home and be safe. Thank you.